He wants to know the condition laid by Islam for divorce, and she said it seems that the man has got the right to have a divorce. I mean, شو قلتي بالضبط بالنسبة للرجل؟
بالنسبة للرجل أباح الإسلام الطلاق، بس أنا بدي أسأل بالضبط إنه متى يجوز للرجل الطلاق؟
Yes, she said when exactly. She wants to know all the condition for the husband to divorce his wife.
You see, these are the matters of jurisprudence, which I do not like to answer offhand in such meetings, because they relate to rights and obligations of married couples, and also similar questions may be asked regarding rights and obligations in other human relationships. Because the matter is highly important, if I give my opinion now here, without refreshing my memory on all these various aspects, I may be quoted by some parties, and it will create problems. So I discourage such questions, and whenever anyone requires from me such a thing, I advise him or her to write to Darul Ifta Rabwa. And I tell them that they should send a copy to the answer they give. So if I disagree with them, then I should write to them that they should correct this fatwa to that extent. But that I do after full investigation, not offhand.